Hello everybody, welcome to use Focus newest Cobra-69 direct package printer. This is the whole printer whole view. And this printer we can print lots of materials such as the envelope for the wet background or the color background or the corrugated board. And also can print on the pizza box. The pizza box with shape or without shape. And this is already bending. After bending, then we can print also. And also we can print by pieces. This is the pieces corrugated board. We can print also directly on this kind of material. And also we can print on the bags. These different kinds of bags. This is the shopping bags. The shopping bags for small size or big size. And also we can print on the bags for the bread. This is a shopping bag. And also we can print on this is the coffee bags. The coffee bag or the bread bag. All the bags we can print. And also we can print on the board. The cardboard directly. The cardboard for pieces or for after bending. Also we can print. And also we can print on the big size. The middle size. Or the big size. The maximum big size, like this, the huge, extra large size we can also print. So this kind of materials we can also print by the Focus Cobra printer. This is the direct to packaging printer. It's not only to print on the board, cardboard, and also print on bags, and print on some material, some products produced by the board, by the paper. And also we can print on this kind of paper. Or the card. This kind of is the gift card, shopping card. Shopping card also we can print. So we can print lots of materials. If you want to know what kind of materials you want to print, you can ask the Focus support team to know before you buy the printer. And then this printer is configured with 1 or 2 print heads, HP print head. The print head is HP bubble jet print technology. We can install by 1 or 2 print heads. The one print head we can print 21 centimeter. And if you install with 2 print head, we can print the maximum 42 centimeter for the width. And the length is 1 pass printing. So it's really quick. It's really quick. We can match the speed of Y conveyor to 27 or 30 meter per minute per 1 minute. So the speed for conveyor is really quick. It's really quick. And the size for the conveyor is 60 centimeter. It's for 60 centimeter. From here to here for the conveyor is 60 centimeter. And also we have the paper take-up, a paper take-up device. When the material print from the print head, then go to belt, then we can drop to this holder immediately and automatically to hold the material. And also we built from touch screen. This is that touch screen. So it's really easier for you to do some setting of the parameter and control the printer easier. And also at the front here, we have made the automatic tension adjustment, the lower, to control the media without the bending when it's dropping to the holder here. And also for the carriage, for the print head carriage, we can also move from left to right. And also we can lock by the lock here. Now also for the width, for the thickness of the material, we can print from 1 millimeter to 25 centimeter. So it can allow you to print lots of materials with different size, with different thickness. Even the big size of the carton box, we can put on the conveyor and we print easier. And also here we have the pinch loader, the press, to prevent the material bending to scratch the print head. And also from here, the front, we have 3 laser, 1, 2, 3 laser at the front and at the back side to guide the margin position of the printing size. So it's very easier for us to put the material and load the material and hold the material. And we can see here is also we have a fender. We have the slider fender. So this one we can remove. We can remove out and we can put inside. So if we want to print the big size for the larger size width, for example 1.2 meter or 1.5 meter, the width for the cardboard, we can put on this slider and we can print the big size material. And if you take it out, we can print a small size material. So it's very easier for us to use the machine. And also if we take out this, we can take out this and then we can make the machine smaller to save the shipping cost. And the packing size will be smaller. So also we have lots of loaders at the front to get the board move freely from the front to back side. We have lots of loaders here. Anyway, we have lots of high technology to let the customer easy to use the printer. And also at the back side, we will also have the automatic sending system, automatic paper sending system to make the paper sending dispatching easier. Later, Master B will show you how to use this machine and what's the procedure to install and to use it. Okay, so this is some advantage, some technical features for the Focus Cobra direct-to-package printer. And now please for Master B to learn how to use the machine step by step. The first, once you get the machine, you will get some spare parts for free from Focus team, support team. So this is the spare parts we can got. And before we know the parts, we need to release. First, we need to, once we get the package, the package is a wooden package. The wooden package you got from Focus. Now, once you get the machine, we need to open the package. We open the wooden package and we take out the printer from the package. And then we need to put the machine with a stand or desk. But we must be sure the stand or the desk is very strong without shaking. And then we need to lock the wheels here. The wheels for each. 2 at the front and 2 at the back side. We lock here. And also we must be sure the stand without shaking is strong. And we also need to lock the bottom, the wheels. Anyway, we must release the machine without shaking and strong and fixed without moving. Then we can get the high resolution printing. So once we already get the spare parts, we already get the printer and we release the printer on the ground. And also we must be sure the machine is water level, cannot be bending at front, back, vertical or horizontal. We must be sure it's without shaking and also water level.